Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pausing and selecting photo mode. This boots the camera tools instantly. Move your character into frame and use the preview to judge composition. Once positioned, toggle HUD and activate any time freeze so enemies or animations stop. This gives you control. Adjust basic exposure to prevent blown highlights because proper brightness is the foundation for later tweaks. Make these initial choices deliberately. They set the scene and save time when you apply advanced camera controls next. Once stable, use the sticks to orbit and set the camera distance. Small moves matter for balance. Change field of view and tilt to correct perspective, and add depth of field so your subject pops against the background. You should also trigger a pose or emote to create narrative and sample environmental filters for color temperature. Make sure to test a quick preview after each tweak. Incremental adjustments prevent overcorrection and let you achieve a cohesive, cinematic composition before final editing. You finish by applying final filters, grain, and vignette to unify the image, then lock those settings if the game allows. Save at least 2 takes into separate slots so you can compare versions later, one conservative, one experimental. Export or capture the screenshot to your console or PC folder immediately. If something goes wrong, such as UI freezing or HUD refusing to hide, reset photo mode briefly and reload your last take. This restores controls without losing saved images.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.